Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set who can add you to groups on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon in our bottom right corner. That's going to take us to our settings. Next, we're going to select privacy. That's right below accounts and right above chats. So as you can see, in the first section, the fourth option we have is groups, and it's currently set to everyone. So let's go ahead and change that. So we're going to click on groups, and as you can see, you can select my contacts and my contacts except or everyone. So you can select nobody. So nobody can add you to groups. So we just have three options here. So let's go ahead and select my contacts, because why would we want someone that's not in our contacts to add us to groups? And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!